Pinangalanan na ng Philippine National Police ang itinuturing na persons of interest sa pagkawalaan ni Miss Grand International candidate Catherine Camilon. Ayon kay PNP Public Information Office Acting Chief Police Colonel Jean Pardo, ang nasabing opisyal ay si Police Major Alan De Castro na dating nakatalaga sa Police Regional Office 4A. Nakilala niyang suspect mula sa kaibigan ng biktima na siyang nagkwento ng tungkol sa naging kaugnayan ni De Castro kay Catherine bago ito nawala. Pakinggan natin ang pahayag ni PNP PIO Acting Chief Police Colonel Jean Pajardo.
Isa pong malapit na kaibigan, yung biktima na nagsabi po na noong October 12, before her reported disappearance po ay magka-text po sila. There were exchanges of text claiming na ang sinasabi po ay ito po yung kikitain ng biktima prior to her disappearance po.
Kaugnay nito, nagsampa na ng kasong kidnapping at serious illegal detention ang Criminal Investigation and Detection Group o CIDG-4A laban kay Major De Castro, Jeffrey Ariola Magpantay at dalawang John Doe sa Batangas Provincial Prosecutor's Office.
Probably some of you might be answering bakit po kidnapping and serious illegal detention pa lang po yung sinampa natin, because the victim was reported missing from October 12 until today. So since wala pa po tayong nakikita na particularly yung corpus delicti, kung determine kung ito po ba ay buhay pa o hindi, but kung sakasakali po in the coming days po ay meron pa po tayong mga additional ebidensya na makakala po relating to this case, then we are not precluded to file additional cases.